How to add a world clock to Wix. So in order to add a world clock to your Wix, first head over to your Wix site and I have in here this blank page. Click onto this add an element option and then this will open up the element that we can actually add. Here's the quick add. Scroll down and locate the iframe option. You can click on it or just drag it wherever you want to put it. Just head over and click on it and it will be added to this blank section. Now, once it's been added, just leave it as it is and then let's head over to commonninja.com. You can either sign up or log in if you already have an account. Into this, click onto this create a widget, put the search bar, and then search in here for world clock. You can see in here this world clock option, so click on that. Now from in there, this will open our actual widget editor wherein you can change the styles, the font, and the colors of this world clock. Into this, I have the world clock for New York and Paris. Let me head over and add another one. Let's choose in here the clock location. You can choose for this particular options right here, like for example, states, Asia, and the like. For example, right here, let me search for Philippines, or you can also search for your own country. I'll choose Singapore and choosing here the clock name. I will name it Singapore. Now in here, just click onto this particular look and feel or design. You can change the marks format as well as the other things that you can see right here into this. I'll head over and change this into the marks format and you can also change the design, change the color of the text. I'll make it white since I have a black background. And once you have changed that right here, it should be able to reflect all together. Now you can change that white or make it as is for this part. Now once you're done, click onto this publish option, click onto the save widget, click onto this copy code and then head back right here to your Wix Studio. And you can just input right here the code that we have added. Just head over and click onto this iframe element that we have right here into this section. Click onto this enter code. Enter in here the code that we have copied. Click on update. And after that, you can resize this particular section in order to cater to all of the world clocks that we have available. Here is our first world clock. You can just head over and then resize it and then move it up however you want. Just resize it however you see fit. And once you're done with everything, you can head over and publish this to your site. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.